Well, this was a productive morning. Wanted to let you all know what ferments we've got going on here. From the leftmost half-gallon mason jar, that is purple cabbage, and the rightmost mason jar is purple cabbage. The three in the center, the three half-gallon jars in the center, are kimchi stuffed jalapenos. And then the little pint is some cabbage that I had in the greenhouse that I salted and diced up and then put in the ferment. And so looking at the purple cabbage, is that not the most beautiful thing? About 5 or 6 days it'll be ready. Slipping on over here, this kimchi stuffed jalapenos, the gallon and a half of jalapenos, worth of jalapenos, it took a half a gallon of kimchi to stuff all of them. And so it's just really cool. See the onion, and then basically just onion and jalapenos, but just beautiful. And this middle one, the middle of half gallon, I had some kimchi ferment juice left over, and so I used that in there. So that's going to have a kind of a kimchi flavor in addition to the kimchi stuffed jalapenos. It takes about 5 or 6 days of every day. I'll push the top down and unscrew the lid, push the glass of weight down, and then close it back up. And then after about the third day, I want to start tasting them so we can see what it all tastes like. So anyway, that's the ferments. And then after 6 days, when it gets a flavor that I like, then we just put those in the refrigerator, turn the lids back over. This came with one of my glass weights. It's got a little squeeze thing on top here. You can see that right there. Yeah, and it lets out the air too. It's kind of cool. And then these, I have the lids all turned upside down, the rubber side up. When they go in the refrigerator, you turn them over. But this lets air escape while they're fermenting.